Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you checking out the channel. Be sure to go in and check out a bunch of other videos on some unboxings of some great kits. Today we're going to start off with Color Me Gone, a 1964 Dodge 330 Super Sport. This here one was the Roger Lindemood version. He was a driver. It's a Lindberg kit, 125 scale. Kit number 72156. $1996 this one come out right here. Yep. Still remember the day I bought this one. Alrighty, I went ahead and took shrink wrap off years ago. Here we have another music box, lunchbox edition box where the hood, yeah. The lid is attached to the box. So we're going to go ahead and get the unboxing going here. Alright, first off we have the beautiful body. Wow. A little slippery. Need to clean it up a little bit. Very sharp looking. There's your front end. Driver's side. Nice trunk. The lines aren't very well defined on here, but you could scribe them out a bit and make them show up a little bit better. Very nice though. Have a classic look there for an old 60s vehicle. And we have another big giant bag of molded white plastic. Go ahead and take that one off. No scissors necessary on these. We have the hood, which has cutouts for the crossing tunnel ram, cross ram carburetors. Boy. Here's the bench seat, it looks like. In the back of the seat. In the background here you might see parts for the Snark missile, the SM-62 Snark missile. I've been working on that. That'll be a whole nother video on its own. Here we have the firewall for this kit. Some steel wheels, radiator, a master cylinder, as they like to say in the other previous video, the brake fluid reservoir. That's what it was. Here's leaf springs, front suspension K-frame, two halves of the rear end, some shock absorbers, a little sway bar, a transmission cross member there. Real nice plastic on this kit, guys. You should definitely check this one out for quality plastic. And here I'm assuming this is the back seat. And the radiator core support. Some exhaust. Not a lot on these trees. Here's a nice hood scoop. Very similar to that one I seen in the previous video. I don't remember what it was now. It was a GM video. Oil pan. Here's your cross carburetor thing again. Boy, I'm having trouble with English language today, folks. Sorry about that. It's the intake manifold where a carburetor sits up here and the other one sits over here. Hood hinges. These are torsion arms? Torque arms? Torsion arms? I forget what they call them. Looks like ignition coil, maybe? Oh no, well, no, you know what? Those are the front spindles. This little piece in the middle threw me off. Okay, it must have steerable front wheels. Here's drive shaft, roll cage, some bits, fan, nice 7-blade fan there, pulleys and fan belt, little distributor, air cleaners for your two carburetors. I'm going to assume that's a starter just by the look of it. And a little bracket here. Could be what do they call it? Drive shaft loop? Maybe. I'm not sure on that. Alrighty, and this one we have steering wheel, stock steering wheel. Big engine block and transmission halves here. Heads, Tiny little valve covers, probably a 440 engine, I'm not sure on it. Front of the timing chain and water pump and all that stuff. Radiator hose, another little radiator hose, coolant hose, backs for the wheels. A lot of parts in this one. Pretty simple dashboard. They hopefully have a nice decal to go across that. We'll get to that in a minute. Some other wheel option backs. Wow, looks like, yeah, these go into there. A lot going on with the wheels on these. Okay, inner fender wells, those are cool. Rear bumper, I believe. Here comes the chassis. Wow, guys, this is really thick. Nice, heavy duty. Wow. Well, I'd definitely pick another one of these up if I could find it. This is cool. All right. Not a lot of detail. Sorry, not a lot of detail on that one. Molded in engine. Boy, oh boy. Molded in fuel tank. Frame members. And that's about it. You know, these are on here and pretty well defined, but nothing to write home about. Then we have the interior tub with the tow board, transmission hump, and where the back seat would go. A little bit of detailing here for your interior sides. I'm sorry, I don't know if the glare is hitting that. Nothing on the backs. I'll go ahead and put all that right back in the bag since it's stacked up real nice. Hope everyone's having a great day. Get a chance, please go over and hit that subscribe button. Oh, and speaking of, a lot of people have been saying that they've experienced, a lot of other content makers have been saying that they're experiencing a lot of YouTube is unsubscribing people. That's what I'm trying to say there in English. They're unsubscribing people, so be sure to go in, and if you're subscribed to my channel, please go back there and make sure that you are subscribed, because we don't like that, you know. We like to make sure everybody gets what the content they want to see. Here's a chrome tree. The front with the open grill, that's pretty sharp. Rear bumper. Here's the grill that fills that in, I guess. Here's two wheels in chrome. So these must be the rears. Or they could be the fronts, I don't remember. Here's, oh, okay, instead of a decal, we have a fancy little chrome dash panel there. Rear view mirror. Option for chrome air cleaners, that's very nice. Two carburetors. A big giant alternator, I think that is. Yep, that's about it for that one. And clear parts in a bag, nice. We have the windshield. It was open, so I brought it out. We have the windshield, the rear window, two, let me see here. Yep, 2 quarter glasses for the rear windows. So your side passenger windows are open. Headlights. Go ahead and put that back. We have some tires, some nice drag slicks. Wow, these are really nice. They appear to be hollow on the inside instead of, you know, full rubber. They're about halfway down. They're Goodyears. I hope you can see that. Both sides. Got to cut that out, scuff them up a little bit, make them look good. And the front tires are Pro Track Competition Front. Okay. And those are those. Some okay tread on them. Decals are stuck to the instructions, so we're going to gently, hopefully, pull that off without any damage. Minimal damage. Looks like we're going to need to touch up a little bit of something going on right there. Have the nice Color Me Gone decals. 987 Detroit or is that L86. Pretty sure it's 987. Alright. Radio decal, tachometer, couple of gauges, Bondo, that's funny. Caution something. Rosello Racing, Plymouth Dodge, Roger Lindemood driver, NASCAR. I can't make that out. I think it says 429. Let me grab the magnifying glass. No, it says for Charger 426, it says. Okay. That's interesting. All right, that one there. Color McGaughan, 425 horsepower. Dodge. Decent decals. It's unfortunate that there's a little damage there. I wonder if I'd be able to pick them up somewhere for good replacement decals. So, last but not least, we have the instructions in multiple languages. You guys tell me what that one says? Come on. This says 1995. I think the kit said 96. So the kit was around a little bit. And we have engine. Different options. You can do air cleaners or air cleaners. So I guess that's the painted or the chrome. Yep. Go ahead and open this all the way up over here. Put your cross member in, your motor. Torsion bars. Yeah, that's what those are called, torsion bars. Put your rear end together. It was a drive shaft loop, that one little piece, okay. Some rear shocks. Rad hoses, inner left and right inner fenders. Master cylinder, yep. Seats. Okay. Oh, cool. There's a couple little armrests. That's what those other funny looking things were. Alright. Get 4 armrests, so, you know, 2 each for the fronts, 2 for the backs. Some stuff to do. The tachometer, I missed that in the parts, but there's a tach in there. Okay. Pretty nice. Pretty easy to build, it looks like. Hopefully fitment is good on it. I have no idea. I don't know that I've ever built a Lindberg kit. I've got a couple of them. I have to get around to building them. Maybe as soon as I'm done with this missile over here, I'll build a Lindberg kit. There you go. Put your wheels on. Some choices for your coloring of your paints and your decal placements. And we'll call that one done. Well, I appreciate your time, folks. Like I said, please make sure you're subscribed if you want to be subscribed. If not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you aren't. And if not, well, that's okay too. But a lot of people are watching, but fewer clicking to subscribe. So you know it's free to subscribe. Go ahead and do so if you'd like. All right, everyone. Have a great day. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and keep on modeling.